Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to install Smart Hospital version 5.1. So kindly watch this video carefully so that you understand how I did this. And if you're a new member here, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I post a video like this, it will be useful for you. Thank you. Alright, so you go to your C panel. As you can see, I'm on my C panel. You click on File Manager, then you click on Publish HTML. That's where I'll be uploading the script. So as you can see, here is the file already. So for those of you that have not uploaded it here, so you just need to upload it here under your public HTML. So now you extract this file, extract it. Let's just wait for little time so that it will be done extracting, so we can start up the installation process. Alright, so as you can see, this script has been done installed. So now as you can see, there is another folder here. You just need to click on this folder, click on this other folder, select all these and move it to your publish HTML. Publish HTML. Now let's check our publish HTML. As you can see, here is the file. So now let's go and check this file live. Let's check it live. Alright, as you can see, all the server requirement is complete. Let's set up our database. Now let's go back to create a database. For those of you that are not creating your own database, so you just need to create it now so we can start up this process. So let's just put any name here. Let's put any name as the database. Now for your password, you can use any password, but make sure you save that password in a safe place. So I'll be using my own password. You can use a generated password from here and make sure you save it on a safe place. So let's create this. Alright, now let's go back. Put in your password here. I've already copied the password. Now copy the database. Click that. There is database localhost. Your database name. The database name and the username are the same thing, so you can just put it there. Now super admin user details. Let's put this. Click on being installed. Let's just wait for a minute so the installation process will be completed. I think this will not take much of our time. Alright, so as you can see, it has been done extracted, it has been done installed. So let's check this out to see. Let's just copy this in case it has an error. You see, delete the installation folder from the application, and I'll go back to here. Now delete this file, this folder. Now go back. Alright, so as you can see, this is now our admin dashboard. So thank you for watching this video. May God bless you all. And please, for those of you that need this script, kindly message me on my WhatsApp number below. I'll be selling this script for you for a cheaper price. Thank you all.